Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I clean my brushes. Now yesterday I was trying to apply makeup on to click a few photos and the color that I was picking up was not translating very well on my eyes, and I realized that Sneha, it's time to finally clean your brushes. So here I am going to show you guys all of the things that I do and give you a little bit of insight on how I do things. Before we begin, make sure that you guys have hit that subscribe button and have subscribed to my channel, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So this is my setup. I have my beauty blender. See how dirty it has become, and these are all the brushes that I have. So सबसे पहले what I like to do is I take this pungent brush cleaner जो मैंने Daiso से लिया था $100 only, and depending on मुझे कितने brushes clean करने हैं उस हिसाब से I take the mug, water and the solution. तो what I do is I usually take one mug, उसको मैं around 30% फिल कर देती हूँ, एंड देन उसके बाद आई ऐड द सोल्यूशन. यहाँ पर मैंने एक फेस ब्रशेस के लिए अलग से मग बनाया है एंड आई ब्रशेस के लिए अलग से. Alright, if you do not have this brush cleaner, right, you can always go and use a shampoo. Johnson's baby shampoo is really good for this, and if you do not want to buy a specific shampoo or so, you can go ahead and take these small sample shampoo sets that you get at hotels, or also get yourself that ₹1 sachet of shampoos that you can find easily anywhere in a general store. So that is something that I like to do first. I make sure that I keep this soaked in for around 15 minutes. Use of this cleaner is actually on the go. As you saw, the consistency of this is very liquidy, so whenever you're traveling you can just take this and your brushes and you can apply this on your brush, and you don't use a tissue to just kind of get rid of all of the residue. This is not recommended for super deep clean, which is why I will be doing an extra process and I won't just leave it to this. So now for the next step, we're going to come to the washroom. I'm going to be using this hot water bag because of this texture that has. इससे अच्छे से clean हो जाएंगे brushes. I have my brushes here and also the cleaner here just in case अगर extra ज़रूरत पड़े. तो यहाँ मैं सीधा brush उठाती हूँ and directly I just make sure that I kind of rub this over the hot water bag, and look at how clean the brush automatically becomes. For foundation brushes and things like that, because उसपे बहुत सारा product buildup होता है, you can add more of the solution and just do this process maybe twice or thrice to make sure that वो अच्छे से clean हो जाए. मैं यहाँ पर All the Best की movie देख रही थी because I was getting so bored. You can also do that while you're in the process, and इसके बाद your brushes would be like this, super duper clean. So यहाँ पर मैंने सारे brushes को clean कर दिया है, and then I just take a towel and I put it right under the fan, or you can also put it under the sun if you want to, and ऐसे सूखने के लिए मैं रख देती हूँ brushes को, and then उसके बाद they're just as good as new. So yeah, overall I would recommend कि try करो baby shampoo use करने का, because it does not have any harmful chemicals जो आपके brushes की quality को degrade करेंगे या wear and tear करेंगे. So yeah, that's how I actually clean my brushes, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. अगर सही लगा तो please do give it a big fat thumbs up ताकि हम YouTube algorithm को beat कर सकें. Many others can maybe just watch this video and use this for themselves. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.